What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Di Manriva, and today we're going to be making the Tattletale. The Tattletale is a modern classic created by Sam Ross in 2010. It's kind of a hybrid between an old-fashioned and a Manhattan, and it's done complete with scotch and a little bit of honey syrup. And you know what? It's just a great, smoky, hearty variation on those drinks. That's all I got to say. Let's just get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then we're going to do, there's one thing that you guys are going to probably try and take me to task for. I subbed out the Highland Scotch. So the ingredients usually go Highland Scotch, Islay Scotch, and then a bar spoon of honey syrup. But I actually subbed it out, and a lot of bars do, with blended Scotch. And the reason why I did that is because Highland Scotch is pretty expensive. So if you want to, use like a Macallan or something in there, then you can. This is also a great option, and it also makes a great cocktail. I just want to say that the original, though, does specify Highland Scotch. All right, so first thing we're going to do is a bar spoon of honey syrup. If you want to be 100% accurate, you want to make sure that your bar spoon is exactly half a teaspoon, and that is what a bar spoon measure is. And then we're going to do, we'll start with this one, 3/4 of an ounce of Lafroig tin, which is what I'm using. It's what I got on hand. And then an ounce, 1 ounce and 1/4 of blended Scotch or Highland Scotch, if you want to make it that way, and you got it on hand. And that about does it. And we're just going to take our ice, which is nice and pre-cut, and we're just going to drop it into our glass. And we're just going to give it a nice stir. Chill it down. And then we're just going to do a lemon twist and an orange twist for this one. Give it a nice twist. And there you have it, my friends, the Tattletale. Let's take a sip and see what it tastes like. I mean, I'll tell you right now that Islay Scotch is really going to dominate, and it blends really well with that honey syrup, and you just get this nice, this big smoke on it. So if you want like an old-fashioned Manhattan variation that's just like super hearty and really smoky, this is going to be your jam right here. There you have it, my friends, the Tattletale.